Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the euro dollar at the moment. I'm just going out to a weekly and I'll show you what I've marked up here. I've just come back over here and I've pulled up this low, these highs, this high, and pulled a bit of a range through here. So we've got this weekly resistance level running through here. Fairly significant level. On the daily, if we go down, have a quick look at that. This is our weekly level here. I've marked this up. This is, well, the market has moved into this zone up here, and from what I'm seeing, my perspective is it's having a go at buy-side liquidity resting above. See this previous daily high? It's taken out liquidity up here. It's had 3 goes at it, so I mean it could push through. So that's the risk. I'm going to go for a counter trend trade, however, and I'm looking for the retrace. So if we grab a Fibonacci, say pull it from this low to the high. Okay, so what we have here is, notice what I've marked up, this thing here, this price gap. So what I'm looking at is this candle here, this green candle. If we look at the high of the candle left, the low of the candle right, so I'm just pulling out the range through. So the market could look to trade back down through this gap. Definitely a point of interest. If it's looking for liquidity and looking to rebalance, well, there's liquidity above that it's hit. There's also a ton of liquidity resting below here in the form of stop losses, sell side liquidity with buyers in the market. So does it move back down into those levels, taken out stops, under? Good question. And then we've got this gap. So I think my play with this would be to go counter trend with this back down, trading it short. If we have a look at it on the 4H, this is my plan of attack. Let's grab this fib. There it is. All right, so down into, that would be an ideal, possibly an ideal, if we get that, down in here, an ideal level to look to buy, possibly. All right. We'll just wait and see what happens. We've got the stock markets currently running into resistance at the moment. If they pull back, then we could see strength come into the dollar. So buy into strength, sell into weakness. There's a euro dollar short. So just building an argument for this at the moment. What else have we got? We've also got under here, see this thin candle here as well. So that could be a thing. 4H price gap down in there. Does the market seek to trade back down through that gap? You've got this entire range from here to here. That to me is definitely of interest. So this is the range, the trading range that I'm interested in at the moment. I've already shorted this. I also have pending sell orders above. So I've got a market sell up in around here somewhere. This is my plan. And I have, if this spikes up, see this could push up looking for the highs above, I mean the liquidity above these highs before it trades down. I've also set up a couple of pending sell orders up in here. So I tend to go in, say, with a 0.2% of my account with a market sell and then limit sell. There'll be 2 of those, so double up on it. That's how I like to play this. So this is my sell zone in through here. If that's the case, we'll average out, stop loss above, go for broke with the risk reward. I will always take, in fact, we'll just double check where this stop loss is. This level here is a weekly level. I've marked it up off the weekly time frame. 4-hour chart, I'm just going to pull up the, let's grab my indicators here. I want to, and see the other thing too, this line down here, this is the mean, midline. So you can see we've got these lines. I'd like to see a pullback into the mean. So that's the play that I'm going for. We've got this down here, you can see ATR 0033. So if you're going to go 2 times the ATR on the 4H time frame, we could measure that. So let's say entry here. So we're looking for 00, if that's 33, we want 0066, 66, 57, 61, it's up around in here somewhere. 2 times the ATR, that's quite a bit of room to breathe. And if that's the case, we go for target. I like to go for a 1-to-1 if I can. My 1-to-1 ratio actually coincides with, if we grab the fib, I'll just grab the fib from these lows to the high. So we've got this red level, 50% of the fib level through here. And then you see the yellow 618786. That's what I'm interested in down here. And you can see that the 1-to-1 risk reward, that's my 1-to-1, and it's resting just above this bullish order block here. So I'm actually good with that as a T1, target 1, and I would look to close 70% of my position off there. 70% in the bag, and you know, I mean, you could close your whole position if you wanted to, or then at that point, you know, if your stop loss is here, then there's your TP. You can pull your stop loss down to better than break even on that, and I mean, you're well and truly in the money, and then just trail it with your stop loss. See what we get out of it. You never know. I mean, you know, that could be a thing. Anyway, that's my take on the euro dollar at the moment. And by the way, guys, click the link below. Join Telegram. You're welcome. It's free. Love to see you in there. See what we get with this. It will be interesting to watch it play out. Euro dollar. Keep an eye on the stock markets too. If the stock markets sell off, then, you know, we've got a good chance this will follow. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.